Here at Kingston Dodge, we have a 2012 Nissan Altima. Comes with cruise control and air conditioning. Which you can see is black in color. Coming in, you'll see the remote unlock, and it's got power windows, power locks, and power mirrors. Start the vehicle for you here. Look at the tachometer. It's cruise control. Sunglass case. There's the climate control at the top there. As you can see, it comes with a CD player. And it comes with a CD auxiliary. Side, you can see there's a 12-volt outlet, so I was trying to give you a good view of that. And there's some cup holders, a center console. Again, there's a 12-volt adapter again. Well, it's not the adapter, it's the outlet, sorry. Glove box, and there is the trunk release inside there. Have a look at the upholstery. And into the back seat here, we'll have a look around. See, the seats are in great shape. There's a center console, cup holders. We'll go in and have a look at the trunk here. Inside there's a nice and roomy trunk area. Come into Kingston Dodge today and take this 2012 Nissan Altima for a test drive. Come into Kingston Dodge today, 1429 Princess Street.